Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the new 2020 306 Grady White, one of the best 30-foot fishing vessels you could possibly have. Check out the back section here with the twin 300 Yamahas. Got a nice walk through there for the scuba divers or you fishermen. Nice freshwater shower here. Great fish box with a divider in it on the back. Even have a built-in cutting board back here. Check out this easy deployable seat. Gives you plenty of room for your guests. Tucks completely out of the way and makes a great tow hold for your fishing. Got a really nice bait area here. A huge aerated lighted live well. More fresh water. Of course, we do have a raw water washdown right there as well. Plenty of tackle storage. Great place for your terminal tackle right there. Got rod storage here on the side. And rod holders all over this boat. Lots of drink holders too. There's another set of tackle drawers over here on the port side of the boat. Check out this beautiful Helm Area. We got multiple places for your feet, so it doesn't matter if you're driving, standing up, sitting down, leaning to. Got a great little glove box here for your cell phone, your electronics devices. Electronics box up here. Got the same color under the T-top that we have on the hull color sides. Plenty of room for your electronics. We mount any kind of electronics you want here at MarineMax. We do any brand you like, and we do custom rigging and great installations. Moving forward, huge head compartment on here with a freshwater shower. Your batteries are actually stored in this cabinet in here, so they're completely out of the salt air, out of the corrosive elements. This boat's got the optional sure shade. This is real easy to take up and down for one person, but look at all the extra shade it gives you up here for your guests. Check out the seating in the bow. All of these cushions can be removed and give you access to your fish boxes or a non-skid casting platform underneath. Up in the bow of the boat, we've got an anchor windlass. Got a nice full windshield with a windshield washer. This boat is designed for extremely rough sea conditions, but it also makes a great dinner cruiser for you and your family, or just taking some guests out to enjoy the water. Come see this boat along with other of the many brands that we carry here at MarineMax of Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take good care of you.